Here you go, guys. This is a storm in Belfast, and the winds are incredibly strong. Stand out here, I think that's a tornado right there. Who knows, that might be a tornado right there even. That could be anything happening. Hold on, see those trees right there? See our roof is blowing like crazy. I almost got blown over. Who knows if this tornado? Like, subscribe, comment down below for more info about storms. There's a storm right there. I think it might be a tornado. Yeah, it is. Look at all that thunder, lightning. Bro, it's picking up. The wind is picking up. Incredibly good. Wait a minute. Look at those clouds. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, you can hear that inside real bad. Oh my God. I'm terrified. I'm terrified now. I'm terrified. Oh shit. Holy shit. This is a tornado. This is a flash flood. This is the flood warning. We're supposed to get 1.2 inches of rain. And I'm not going over there because it's really cold over there. And our neighbor's poor little cats are running around outside. Oh, poor cats. Yeah, that does look like a freaking tornado right there, bro. I'm not joking you. The freaking wind is blowing that way too. Okay, so what's going on down here? Downtown. That's downtown Belfast. And the lights in town are literally turning off and on, kind of. Oh shit, we better not lose power. Oh. Yeah, we're not losing power. Bye. See you guys later.